Hi, I'm Dr. Taylor Ballenger, one of the pediatricians here at Riverside Pediatric Associates. I'm originally from Northwest Ohio, so I've been born and raised a Buckeye my entire life. I did defect a little bit when I went to undergrad. I went to Indiana University at Bloomington, so I did a brief stint as a Hoosier, but I returned to Columbus to go to the Ohio State University for my medical school training, and then chose to stay here in Columbus at Nationwide Children's Hospital to finish my residency. I feel very lucky to get to join the group here at Riverside. I like it for a lot of reasons. Primarily, I really like the people that I work with here. So all of our staff at the front desk, all of the MAs, the other physicians that work in the group. It's clear to me that everybody really loves their job and they love working with kids, which makes it a pleasure to come every day. I chose to be a pediatrician for a lot of reasons. At the most basic level, I really like kids. I like that they're unapologetically honest, they're very resilient, and they like to be silly and play. I also really enjoy the dynamic you get as a pediatrician, that you work with your patient, so the child, and then the parents and caregivers. It brings a little bit of a different dynamic to this area of medicine. I view it as a partnership where I'm the expert in medicine and you are the expert in your child, and together we come up with a plan of care that works the best for your family. The final reason I like working with kids is because it's nearly impossible to have a bad day in this setting. You can go from having a sad, disappointing, frustrating conversation in one room to walking into another room and being told that you look like Princess Anna from Frozen, which for anyone familiar with toddler lingo is quite the compliment. Those are my favorite parts of my job. My kind of hobbies and things I like to do is I have a dog named Millie. She's a Bernedoodle and she is awesome. So I spend a lot of time with her going for walks and playing. I also really like to read and I'm always looking for new book suggestions, and I really enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes. I like hanging out with my family and friends. My brother and sister-in-law live here in Columbus, so I like to see them whenever I can. And I kind of just generally enjoy being active and going around and seeing the different parts of Columbus. So once again, I'm Dr. Taylor Ballenger here at Riverside Pediatric Associates. It's been a pleasure getting to know you. Can't wait to meet you around the office, and I am accepting new patients.